One of the most divisive technology issues between China and the European Union was resolved on Monday. The two major trading partners have officially reached a deal, ending a dispute over Chinese exports of telecom equipment. CCTV's Jack Barton has the details.
Chinese and European officials reached a tentative agreement in Brussels over the weekend to end the dispute over Chinese telecoms imports into the bloc. On Monday, it became official.
We agreed on the settlement, and the major points include tasking an independent body with monitoring of Chinese and EU telecoms network market, guaranteeing access to a standard-setting body for European companies without discrimination that operate in China, and equal treatment of companies bidding for publicly funded research and development projects.
The agreement means the EU will drop its pending investigations into whether Huawei and ZTE were undercutting European rivals by receiving ultra-cheap financing at home, as well as cash incentives from the government. The import of telecommunications equipment into the bloc is worth about €1 billion annually and brings Chinese firms into direct competition with European telecoms giants like Nokia Siemens Systems and Ericsson. Over the past decade, Huawei has secured a quarter of the European telecoms market. The agreement, combined with last week's announcement that China Mobile had chosen Nokia as a partner to roll out a new 4G network, is expected to smooth the way for an investment deal being negotiated between Beijing and Brussels.
If it's finalised next year, I think that will be a boost because it should set out very clearly the rules for both Chinese and European operators in their respective territories. And of course, the potential is enormous. I mean, Chinese ODI in Europe is less than 3% at the moment, so there's huge potential for growth there.
European overseas direct investment, or ODI, flowing in the opposite direction is also low, at below 3% of China's total. With trade flagging, investment is seen as the next area of potential economic growth between China and the European Union. And the telecoms row was seen as the last stumbling block to that growth. Jack Barton, CCTV, Brussels.